There we go. Oh, she's flying. Oh, that is a big fish. That's like personal best big. Wow. That is a really large fish. Yeah, that's really big. Holy shit. Get in the net. Oh my God. Holy crap. The allure and the drive is just too strong. I had just a great day this morning fishing for these native red band. I caught my personal best on the fly. It was so freaking awesome. I mean, come on, you gotta admit, that was a nice fish. And you know, I think I told somebody it was 22. It was a strong 20 and at least 4 pounds. So I'm gonna give it that. But I went home, back to my VRBO. I'm here for the weekend. I took a shower, took a little nap, and I looked at the time and I said, you know, I still got a few more hours that I can go fish. And I put the gear back on and headed down to the river, and hopefully we'll get lucky and get into another monster red band. I'd be okay with just a normal size one too. All right. Well, thanks for joining me. I appreciate it. Let's do this. Fish on. Oh, there we go. Whoa, that's a good fish. Barbless hooks, gotta be careful. Oh my God, that's a good fish. Oh yes. Oh my God. Oh, that is a beaut. Oh, he's already unhooked. No kidding. Wow. Oh, that's a nice way. Wow. Ooh. There we go. Oh, that's another good fish. I'd like to get it on the reel, but I got so much line out. No slack, no slack, no slack. Is he ready to come in? Jeez, he went right into the grass. Is he still there? Oh shit. What a circus. Oh my God. This is a lot of work. That was nuts. Oh, then this rod gets in the way. He went underneath the grass and I had to pull him out. Yeah, he wrapped around my other rod. I have no idea how I landed this one. It was exhausting. Look at the colors in this guy. That is a beautiful fish. Wow. So Alicia from a Little Leaf Guide Services said, I'm so tall out there, I look like a blue heron standing tall in these waters out here in the eastern Oregon. So I think that's a sign. A blue heron just joined me on this trip. Pretty cool. That's cool. Jeez. Oh. Oh my God. He just flew out of the water. Oh, on the reel. That's a good fish. Oh, he's off. Damn it. It's all right. We got 2 nice fish. Played that one out. Didn't land them. That's because he broke me off. There we go. Another big fish. Nice. Nice rainbow. already unhooked. Ooh. Oh man. Ooh. These red bands are nuts. This guy took the, I just got a purple balance leech dropper. He ate that one. Yeah. It's another good fish.
You first time here?
No, I fish here often. Oh, holy shit, this is a nice one. Oh, he's gone. Barbless, you know how that goes. He's a pretty one. A giant rock. Oh, that's a testament to 3X tippet. Wow. Oh, fish on. I literally was just dangling my line and this fish came up and grabbed it. Wow. Look at this guy. Sweet. So I kid you not. I was actually checking my gear to make sure things weren't tangled up. I had my rod dangling, rod length away from me. The nymphs are just kind of gliding in the water and he came up and hammered it. So I wasn't filming. I mean, literally right here. Here we go. That's a big fish. That's a good one. So far out there. Fish are freaking awesome. The grass. Oh, geez, pound for pound, these things are just crazy fighters. I mean, this is maybe a 14-inch fish. Fights like a 18-inch fish. Look at this thing. There we go. Oh, it's another big fish. Oh yeah, big red band. The net, oh. Wow, spot on this guy. Oh. Look at this guy. Holy Toledo. Thank you very much. Ooh. Fish. Wow.